So today maybe I'll share with you guys a little bit of Florence, some of the scenic areas. And anyways, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'm traveling Europe with my with my super today.
For the outdoor adventures, hope you're well. Keep adventuring.
Accione.
Absolutely.
Ettore, amigo, thank you so much for taking care of Tatanka for so long.
Fai attenzione.
Tatanka is right here.
On the road. Be careful on the road. And it's a pleasure to have you guys in Torino and Piemonte.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
You see Liguria, Toscana, Rapallo, Portofino.
Bye, Ali.
Gracias por todo.
Ettore, get your super tenere and I'll meet you in Florencia.
In Florence.
Pizza y cerveza, Moretti.
Gracias.
Y chanuza. Gracias otra vez, Ettore, gracias. Okay, on our way to Florence from Torino. Thank you again, Ettore, for taking care of Tatanka for so long. We really wanted to come earlier, but you know, life. And we're not here in the ideal time of the year. We're here in December. But we lucked out. It's only a little bit under 60 degrees Fahrenheit, which is totally doable. Gisela, you on back there? Beautiful sunny day, 54 degrees. We got good gear, so we should be fine. Another thing we're not going to be able to do is explore as many of the towns as I wanted to. So right now, Portofino, Rapallo, and then Florencia, then Siena. Just stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and welcome back to another video. Quick walk around Tatanka. She's still doing great. 77,000 kilometers. We just changed the oil with Ettore at his garage. Thank you, Ettore, for helping me with that. We made almost a zero mess without taking off the bash plate. And we're somewhere near Cuneo, Italia. Unfortunately, we're taking the highway because we don't have that much time, and we want to make it to Florence before it gets dark. It gets dark at 5:30 p.m. So we're gonna skip Portofino, unfortunately. But Florence is gonna be great. I will see you guys there. Pizza and beer is waiting. Three hours and 54 minutes, 214 miles. That right there is salt. We just barely made it with after the storm, I guess. Paolo, if you're watching, this is something you might like. Temperatures are dropping. Gisela, I think we're gonna have to stop and I'll get another liner from the back, maybe at the next service plaza. Heated grips are on, Massimo, 50%. It's funny, we're heading south and it was hotter up in Torino than down here in Massona. No tengo tanto frío, pero sí me pongo el liner, la parte adentro de la otra chaqueta, sí. Porque solamente tengo el thermal y la Under Armour, that's it. Look at this snowplow, guys. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we had to stop and put on an extra layer. Gisela put on some heat packs. Temperatures are dropping, and we have a snowplow right in front of us. Okay, we have the ocean, the coast on my right here. We might be close to Genoa. Yep. Nighttime arrival into Firenze, into Florence, Italy. Something we did not want to do, but it just gets really dark early here in Italy. Good morning from beautiful Florence, Italy. December 24th, 2023, Christmas Eve. We got in pretty dark into Florence, and it was pure highway from Torino to here. So I wasn't really filming too much. It was very cold also. So we had a small issue with the motorcycle, with a Super Tenere Tatanka. Luckily we made it to Florence all the way, but our battery started failing. And fortunately there's a Yamaha dealer here in town. New battery installed. I'll show you the clip now. I ended up moving all these sensors and this fuse. I just jiggled everything. I have a new battery and it started up. I have a feeling it's something going on here that got loose. Anyways, it's working right now, thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Here she is. So today maybe I'll share with you guys a little bit of Florence, some of the scenic areas. And anyways, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'm traveling Europe with my with my Super Tenere. It took a few tries, but it started up. watching, guys. We're gonna just explore a little bit of Florence, and then we're gonna head out to Siena tomorrow. Merry Christmas. Christmas Eve dinner is going to be here, we think. Trattoria dal Oeste.
Buon Natale.
Buon Natale.
Natale.
Of me, and I'll give you all my euros. There she is, Tatanka. I cleaned you up a little bit today while Gisela was shopping at Gucci and Prada and Hermes. Please start tomorrow, okay? I know you're good for 1 million miles. Okay, it's time for a beer and a steak. Home sweet home, as far as Florence is concerned. Beautiful hotel, Calimala. Official documentation that Tatanka has traveled throughout Italy, and we've enjoyed ourselves very much. Thank you, Ettore, again. Thank you, Elmo. I'll see you soon in Calabria. Forza Cosenza. Cheers. I wish all of you were here, but that technology is not available yet. Everybody go look.